Hi, today we are going to discuss Kling AI. Kling AI is an innovative platform that harnesses advanced generative AI technology to create captivating videos and images. With features like text-to-video conversion, image animation, advanced camera controls, and face consistency, it empowers content creators to produce professional quality visual content effortlessly. Now, let's discuss its features. Text-to-video capability. Kling AI's text-to-video feature allows users to effortlessly transform written content into engaging videos. By simply inputting text, creators can generate visually appealing videos that effectively convey their messages, making it an invaluable tool for quick content production and storytelling. Image-to-video conversion. The image-to-video conversion feature enables users to animate static images, bringing them to life as dynamic video sequences. This functionality is particularly useful for marketers and educators, enhancing presentations and promotional materials by creating interactive and captivating visual experience for audience. Advanced camera controls. Kling AI offers advanced camera controls that allow users to manipulate zoom, pan, tilt, and roll movements within their videos. These options enhance the cinematic quality of the content, enabling creators to craft visually compelling narratives that engage viewers through dynamic perspectives. Face Consistency Tool. The Face Consistency tool ensures that character faces remain uniform across multiple video segments. This feature is essential for maintaining brand identity and visual coherence in storytelling, allowing creators to produce professional quality content without worrying about consistencies in character appearance throughout their projects. When it comes to pricing, Kling AI offers a basic plan for free. You will get credits monthly by logging in, and you can try member-only features monthly by logging in. The standard plan comes in at $388 per month, and this comes with 660 credits. The Pro plan comes in at $1,288 a month, and it comes with 3,000 credits per month. The Premier plan comes in at $2,888 a month, and it comes with 8,000 credits per month. Kling AI has several potential drawbacks that users should consider. Limited video length. Kling AI restricts video outputs to just 5 or 10 seconds, which can hinder projects requiring longer formats. This limitation necessitates stitching multiple clips together, complicating the editing process and potentially affecting narrative coherence. Struggles with complex movements. The platform is not optimized for intricate animations or fast movements, often resulting in distorted or incomplete outputs. Users may find that detailed actions such as complex creature transformations yield inconsistent and unsatisfactory results, limiting creative possibilities. Random scene switches. Occasionally, Kling AI may switch scenes unexpectedly mid-video, particularly with longer prompts. This behavior can disrupt the flow of content and requires additional editing efforts to achieve the desired continuity, making it less reliable for complex storytelling. In conclusion, while Kling AI offers innovative features for video and image creation, potential drawbacks such as limited video length, challenges with complex movements, and random scene switches may affect user experience. Careful consideration is essential for effective content production. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.